Okay. Load a pie pan up. Let's just give it a little more for fun. Hey kids, Big Poppa here. Let's make a strawberry pie. Fresh strawberry. Let's surprise your friends and neighbors. Biscoff cookie crust. Ooh, the kind you get on the airplane. I just love these. And that's going to require some unsalted butter and some sugar, but let's start making the crust. We got our baggie here. Take some of the air. Look, I've never seen this before. I think it's my idea, but I'm sure somebody cooked it somewhere. It's just a perfect crust. Let's see if I got enough for 2 pies. Now we have some hot melted, unsalted Kerrygold butter, only the best for me. Okay, I have almost a double, so it calls for 2/3, so I'm gonna use almost the 2/3. Let's mix this sugar. Looks about right. Give it a little bit of salt, just to cut the sugar slightly. That's kind of like a big pinch. And now I'm gonna okay. Load a pie pan up. I love these pie pans because they have a little parchment in them. I use more of a cheesecake one. Now we want to kind of okay, see we're getting it built up on the sides too. Okay, let's go into the oven. Let's prepare the filling. So what's about 4 cups of these for the sauce? That's 2. I'm just going to start here. Straight into the pan. Now you could just put this in a food processor, but I'm trying not to use that stuff for this recipe. Old school caveman. This is what I do on a Saturday. But I really like it. Do you know what's a tablespoon of lemon? Everybody with these trendy little squeezers that I've been using for 30 years, got them in Mexico. They put it in like this because they think that since that's concave this. No, you turn it this way, then the juice comes out of those holes and you're pressing it to invert it to get everything. Okay. Now we get the sugar. It wants a lot of sugar. About a 1/2 cup of water. That is perfect. Let's put the cornstarch in. Let's see what 3 looks like, because it's going to thicken up cooking. Just a dash of salt. Okay. Well, I think that looks good. So that's 4 cornstarch if you're keeping home. Back at home, a little over a 1/2 cup of water. All right, let's go heat it up and assemble these bad boys. Okay, we won't be eating these until tomorrow. They're going to sit in the refrigerator. We're going to start by pouring the glaze into the strawberries. Okay. We want to mound up a little bit. There we have it, kids. Gonna have some whipped cream on it. Tomorrow we're gonna be eating like kings. It's time to make the whipped cream for it. So we're gonna start with some heavy cream. Heavy cream works the best. Okay, a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using Costco's Kirkland. I love Kirkland. But you know, the other good thing is This doesn't expire until 2031. I may not be around. But time something lasted. Here we go. Now we're going to go over to this powdered sugar stuff. Let's do 3 and see how it tastes, because you can always go back. So you want to whip it until it's like stiff peaks. If you whip it too much, you've got sugared butter. We just splashed vanilla a little bit more, okay? I like vanilla. Some people say my personality is vanilla. Nah. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, kids, I'll see you.